Children, we have already studied that water is transported to the whole plant body through xylem. The absorption of water by the roots is a continuous process, as a result of which plants absorb a large quantity of water. Plants actually need very small amount of water for the transportation of dissolved minerals and photosynthesis. The excess water is transported to the leaves and is lost in the environment in the form of water vapors. The process of loss of water by the plants in the form of water vapors is called as transpiration. This process occurs through the stomata which are present in the leaves through the process of diffusion. Transpiration is the main pulling force or the suction force that causes the absorption of water through plant roots and transportation through xylem. The loss of water through the process of transpiration creates a deficiency of water in the transpiring leaves. As a result, their cells absorb water from the neighboring cells by osmosis. This forms a continuous chain through xylem of the stem reaching to the roots. A low zone of low water pressure is created in the roots while roots are surrounded by an area of high water pressure. Thus, roots absorb water which is then transported throughout the plant. As the rate of transpiration decreases or increases, so does the rate of water absorption by the roots. The rate of transpiration is affected by many factors. For example, sunlight, temperature, humidity, wind, and availability of soil water. First, we are going to discuss these factors one by one. Sunlight. The rate of transpiration is faster on a sunny day as the opening of the stomata is influenced by light. Second, temperature. The rate of temperature is faster on a hot day as the rate of evaporation of water is faster. Wind. Fast blowing wind increases the rate of transpiration as water vapor is removed quickly from the leaves. Fourth, humidity. On a humid day, the rate of transpiration reduces as the air is already laden with water vapor. Last, availability of water. More the soil water, more is the rate of absorption of water and more is the rate of transpiration. Transpiration helps the plants in many ways. Transpiration produces a cooling effect in the plant and helps the leaves to withstand high temperatures. Transpiration helps in the absorption of water and minerals from the soil. Transpiration causes the transport of water and minerals in the plants. Let us perform an experiment to show that plants lose water through the leaves during transpiration. For this, we take a medium-sized well-watered plant and cover the plant with a transparent polythene bag. Cover the plant with the bag completely and tie its mouth around the base of the stem. Keep the plant as well as the empty polythene bag in the sunlight for 2 to 4 hours. We observe that drops of water appear on the inner side of the polythene bag. From this experiment, we conclude that the plant gives off water vapor through its leaves, which saturates and condenses on the inner surface of the polythene bag.